themselves recognize the important distinction between being a friend and being a parent. While parents can certainly be loving, supportive, and understanding traits we associate with best friends, they are much more than that. In my opinion, they serve as life coaches and moral compasses, and they carry an enormous responsibility of shaping our future. Parents are truly one of the greatest gifts from Allah. Let me explain this further in 3 key points. Number 1, greater responsibility and authority. Parents are responsible for preparing their children for both this world and the hereafter. This includes instilling values, teaching discipline, and setting boundaries. Unlike their friends who may avoid confrontation, parents must say no when necessary